I don't know how this keeps happening to me. Come on, I got you. Chill. We're fine. Damn it! It's not a tree! Come on. We're okay, I got you. Come on. You gotta chill. I'm helping you. Come here. There we go. Damn it. He's still in here. Damn it. There he is. Come here. Stop going into the tree. I got you. Come on. All right, everybody. I have officially lost a wild bird in my client's house. I found him. He's back in the sunroom. We're good. I got you. Hey, come here. No, damn it. Okay, he's under this thing. And he flew across the room again. Will you just let me help you? Damn it. Oh, I'm gonna take some durable food, see if he wants any of that. Oh shit, he's in the house. Hey! Where is it, Prez? Show me where it is. Prezzy, show me. Okay, so update. The bird's still in the house. I just have no idea where he is, and I had to leave to take the dog to the vet appointment. But now I've got to be back in time to find the bird and get him out of the house before the clients get home. Okay, and a little backstory as to how this bastard got in the house is I just opened the door to the sunroom to let the dog into the yard, and he hopped out of the bushes and right in and just into a window of the sunroom, and he's been stuck here since like noon, and I can't get him out. I thought he was out before, but he's still there. Alright, and we're back. He's not in his usual spot, so the hunt begins. I can't help but feel this would go a lot better if I could whistle. I found him. Window doesn't even open. Let me help you. Oh, yes. Damn it. Come here. Yes. Get it, Prez. Get it. Prez, don't hurt it. I got you. Damn it. Where'd you go? Where'd it go, Prez? Come on, I got you. No, not back upstairs. No, come on. Ah, God damn it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There you are. You can't even read. Get back here. Damn it. Found him. I thought he was gone, but I found him. Hey, little bird. Come here. I got you. It's okay. I'm not playing this game. We're good. Follow him. Damn it. I'm getting rid of books. Okay. He can't come out now. He's stuck behind this one book. Okay. Alright. Okay. There he is. Oh, jeez. Okay. He's stuck between the family album of The Trip to Bermuda and some other book about Bermuda. Okay, I'm gonna grab him. Success, I've got him. I have got him, and he is free. He is free as a little bird. Go. I got you, buddy.